Hi friends, we'll create our first PHP page. In the previous tutorial we have seen how we have installed XAMPP and along with that Apache server, then the database also we have installed. So all these are installed on its own, so we are not done nothing on the programming or setting side. What we have done is we have checked what is the PHP installation and our database administration phpMyAdmin. Now what we will do, we'll create our first page. So we'll start our XAMPP, this control panel. Now Apache is my web server, I am starting it. Then we'll also start our database, but will not be running it, will not be using right now. Let it run. So these two things are ready now. We'll open our browser and see. In our browser, let's open a new tab, and here we'll start localhost. Our address we are saying it's localhost, and let's see. Here it opens up, because moment I am typing localhost, actually I am in this folder. My browser points to this server, or actually it is a job of Apache with the web server points to this server, and this index file by default this executes and it redirects to dashboard. That's why we are getting it. Always remember, this htdocs is our root file for our localhost. To understand it better way, let's create one directory here. New folder, I am creating a test. Inside this test, I will open I'll just go to notepad. In my notepad, I am creating a file here. I am writing, let's write the first PHP script, PHP echo hello world, and now I am closing this. That much I am writing. Now I will save inside this, save as. Now here I am saying instead of text I will save it as PHP. So I will say first.php. Now let's save it. Okay, this first.php got saved. Now if I have to open it, I have to remember that here the root is then test, then my first.php. So let's go to our browser, localhost. So I am removing this. Now I am is the htdoc directory. Now then I am giving test. Now inside test it is first.php. Let's see that. Yes, this file will slightly modify it to understand what is the in the PHP section and what is outside the PHP section. So we need not follow all the strict syntax rules of PHP when you are outside, because now we are in plain HTML section. So I will write it before PHP, but to give a clearly I'll add a line break here. So I am saying here this is a line break tag in HTML. I am writing pure HTML only, 2 line breaks. After this, let me again write, this will give 2 line breaks again. Now then I will write after PHP. Okay, so this line will come, then hello world, then after PHP will come. I'm just saving this. Now let me just go to our browser, run it. Yeah, you can see it before PHP, hello world, after PHP. So hello world, whatever is coming, that's coming by after execution of the PHP code. That's why I had to follow within the PHP, I had to follow all the syntax rules. Now let's go there and learn one important thing. Now here yesterday in the previous tutorial we have seen how you will check the PHP installation. Now let's simulate that. Let's check it. What is the PHP, how the PHP installation is. Instead of hello world, I will run one function that is called phpinfo. This will not take any input, but this gives me the entire PHP installation details. Now I have saved this, coming here and running it. Okay, I think phpinfo. Okay, saved it, running it. Here you see the entire PHP configuration has displayed. So wherever I am, how is my PHP, my database connectivity, the JSON support is there or not, what is the GDs, anything I just want is a big display of all the libraries. Imagine you have given one script which has worked in your server, and when you are given it, your friend told that no, this is not working. you may get a date that whatever library you have used, those supports are available in your friend server or not. So for that you will run this on, ask him to run this file, and that will tell you that entire configuration of your friend server. We'll understand about comments. Comments means the particular line or the statement won't execute, so PHP will just ignore it. So by putting this 2/ before our command, we have ignored this line. So if I will save this, now I am refreshing my page here, you can see blank because this line is commented. Say I want to put once more echo hello world, I am written here, and let's see what happened. This line I am not commented, so I am refreshing it, hello world is here. So you can see that way. And suppose I want to multi-line comments, say one more line, I will write here, I am giving a line break before inside that, and second line, closing it. So one more, let's say third line, one more line break I am giving, third line. Okay, now these 3 lines should print. Let's refresh this. Yeah, hello world, second line, third line. All 3 lines are getting printed. Now what you will do is, I will let it be, and multi-line comment I am giving 2 lines at a time I am commenting. You see here. Now both these this line, so only third line will be executed. So I am just saving this, refreshing here, you can see third line only has come up. Now let's come here. This is the multi-line comments you have seen. There is another way also. Let me remove this and put it. So I want this line but in a different way. Let's see what happens now. Now let me just save it and refresh. Second line and third line. You just see here this hello world is commented now. This is also another way. In fact, this is in Python also. This is used as a comment also. So now once your installation is ready and you run your first script, there is nothing. We can just go on adding database, arrays, strings, math libraries, and everything we can cover it up easily. So entire source codes and all you can also download from plus2net.com. Whatever you need not note down the scripts, you can just download or copy the scripts from plus2net.com. The PHP section, it is all will be there. The links I will provide in the comment section below. And today we'll finish this, friends, and next we'll go for more complex. We will understand about variables and how functions work. All this will continue to learn. I will request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified when we post the next video also. And ask your friends, share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe also. Thank you for watching.